Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common issue that many Spring Boot developers face when trying to use a custom user class in their application test. If you've ever tried to use the @WithUserDetails annotation in your test methods, only to find that it's not using your custom user class as expected, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll explore why this issue occurs and how to resolve it. We'll dive into the details of Spring Security's user authentication process and explain how to properly configure your application to use a custom user class with @WithUserDetail. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to troubleshoot and fix this issue in your own project. So, let's start by understanding what happens when we use the @WithUserDetails annotation in our test method. This annotation is used to simulate user authentication for our tests, allowing us to write integration tests that mimic real-world scenarios. However, when we try to use a custom user class with this annotation, things don't always work as expected. The reason for this issue lies in the way Spring Security handles user authentication. When we use @WithUserDetails, Spring Security creates a new user instance based on the provided user details. However, by default, it uses the standard user class from the org, Spring Framework, .security core, .userdetails package to create this instance. The problem arises when our custom user class doesn't extend the standard user class. In such cases, Spring Security can't properly instantiate our custom user class using the provided user details, resulting in a normal user instance being passed instead of our custom user instance. To resolve this issue, we need to tell Spring Security how to create instances of our custom user class. We can do this by providing a custom user details service implementation that knows how to create instances of our custom user class based on the provided user details. So, what are the from today's video? Firstly, when using @WithUserDetails, Spring Security creates a new user instance based on the provided user detail. Secondly, if your custom user class doesn't extend the standard user class, you'll need to provide a custom user detail services implementation to tell Spring Security how to create instances of your custom user class. That's it for today's video. I hope this explanation has helped you understand why you might be facing issues with using a custom user class with @WithUserDetails in your Spring Boot test. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content on Spring Boot and related topics. Thanks for watching.